You're about to drop $1,199 on a robot that might cook better than your microwave, but still can't chop onions without turning your kitchen into a tear-jerking battlefield. Before you do, smash that like button and subscribe. I'm about to save you from robo-regret, or turn your kitchen into a sci-fi feast factory where dinner assembles itself while you conquer the couch. Enter the Nosh AI Robot Chef, Bengaluru's Euphotic Labs brainchild, a compact, app-controlled wizard that's a sous chef with zero attitude and infinite patience. Picture this: groggy mornings, staring at the fridge like a hellish puzzle, ditching sad takeout for your phone. The app unleashes 500-plus recipes: Indian curries grandma would envy, Italian pastas smoother than a mobster's alibi, Asian stir-fries hotter than a K-drama twist, and vegan options for plant warriors. Veg or non-veg? No judgment. The magic: prep like a lazy line cook. Chop veggies, portion grains, proteins into 5 smart tray compartments. Slot 8 spices, turmeric, cumin, auntie's garam masala. Add water or oil, hit start. AI and camera eye sequence like a pro. Goldilocks temps, precise stirs and simmers. Tweaking for mild spice only, my tongue's not fireproof. Customize salt for heart vibes or amp the heat. Remote start from the office amid email doom scrolls. Arriving home to childhood kitchen aromas. Hands-free bliss for urban zombies, juggling jobs and dread. No more dinner wars. Amazon fans gush. Saved my marriage, dinner beats kid revolts. And home-cooked taste, zero sweat. It delivers consistency, no burnt dal or gravelly rice. Eco-smart with recyclable parts, made in India pride, bundled pan, stirrer, exhaust filter. 2-year warranty covers 2,500 cooks, outlasting gym memberships. But it's no hologram dream.
You dice like a chopped contestant, unpaid for your robo-boss. Cleanup? Dishwasher-friendly parts, but spice scrubbing rivals paint drying. Redditors dub it glorified stirrer for joyless richies. No taste tweaks mid-cook, so garlicky curry? You're bad. At $1,199, pre-orders approximately $1,099, April 2025 delivery, it's pricier than Michelin menus. Verdict: Time vampire pros tired of Uber Eats? Snag Nosh. AI smarts meet home-cooked glow. Chopping therapy or tight wallet? Pass. Hug your pressure cooker. Pre-order at letsnosh.io. Ignite the robot uprising. Laziest cooking hack fail? Spill below.